I'm back in saddle again. I'm back. I'm back with my car working. Remember I had broken my control arms at the bottom. One of them, lower control arm, broke. Look what I got there. I got really pretty, nice, shiny control arms. Ooh. And the pieces there. That was the side that broke. Here's the other side. All nice and shiny. And the other addition is, I don't know if you can see it down here. Oh yeah, I guess you could. Oh, there. You can see a bit of the blue there. I have a new steering box. It's right down there. Steering box is from a Monte Carlo SS. It's a quick ratio, so I shouldn't have to saw the wheels, the steering there to get the job done for turning. It's a quick ratio. It's the same steering box that they used in, I think it was the Firebird Trans Ams. What else? Oh yeah, I no longer have my air conditioning unit attached. I have the delete pulley set up right there. That's where the AC used to be. And the AC was there because I needed the pulley to run the pulley system, and that was just one of the pulleys that was required. So I finally got that installed, AC delete. That'll take away about geez, the AC units are pretty heavy duty. So that was the main thing. Got an oil change. I got nice racing oil. I'm using some pretty high-tech stuff here. 2050 racing oil. And I got a good filter here that is recommended. By my buddy Joe, who has his garage. And oh, I must have taken the shirts in. He gave me a couple shirts. Anyhow, so the car's back. We just drove it from Kleinberg, and it's been aligned. There was one other thing. Oh yeah, I wanted to get a sway bar put in at the back, but I didn't have some parts. But anyway, the main thing is I'm driving it because that front suspension is done. And it's good. I got no AC though, and today is a stinker. I'm just dripping sweat right now. That's the car I'm going to use for the hot weather because it's got AC. But when it gets a little cooler at night, I mean, I drove it on the highway there and coming here, it was, you know, you gotta have the windows down there, and I survived. But I have gotten really soft and cushy on AC, and you know, and this car here doesn't have it. Anyway, it's working though, and I'll be out making a ruckus later on tonight or sometime soon.